Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take background blurred image in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone, go to camera, and here you have to select portrait option. And here effect strength will be can be preset. Okay, you can set from 0 to 7 point. Okay, I have set in 5 to take background blurred image. You have to bring one object and focus on that object. Okay, see here, this is the object that I focus, and I take a screenshot. I take a photo. Just press on shutter button. Effect is ready. It will be showing here. Effect is ready. Okay. Then click on shutter button. Yes. Done. And open the picture. See here. Wow. Only subject is clear and the background is blurred. Okay, what a nice photo. See here. So in this way you can easily take background blurred image in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.